teacher's name is Kip Morales. Kip Morales is the one that told me, he said, hey, government doesn't do anything. Look, the streets are dirty, there's people speeding, there's cars crashing into things. What are you guys gonna do? I said, Kip, or you guys call him Coach. I said, Coach, work with me. Join the neighborhood council, get some of the youth ready. Let's start a community cleanup, ask me what you need. So the first thing the coach told me, he said, hey, we want a trash can. At least, because the kids come out of school, right in front of school, they throw stuff on the ground, whatever. We want a trash can. Within 2 weeks, I got him a trash can. Next thing he said, hey, we want a mural. Within another month, we got a mural on his school. And eventually, he sent me a bunch of students to start doing community cleanups throughout the whole district. We had community cleanups where we provided all the tools, the trash bags, and everything, and hundreds of students, just like you guys, started cleaning up the streets and started getting involved. Even though the Civic Youth Leadership was not named back then, it was the beginning of Civic.
This ceremony is a powerful reminder that when young people step up to serve, to lead, and to care, real change happens. In the midst of such uncertainty, the role of engaged youth has never been more vital.
At just 15 years old, I was given the opportunity to intern for Councilmember Curran Price's office, which is here, an opportunity made possible because of Jose. At an age when most people are trying to figure out where we fit in, Jose welcomed me into a space where I wasn't just a teenager, but I was treated as a young leader. I was trusted with real responsibilities, and I was invited into real conversations. And most importantly, I was encouraged to use my voice. That experience changed my life. I wasn't only learning about how the government works, I was participating in it. From planning our own community service events to helping organize efforts for our Junior State of America chapter, to engaging with city issues that directly impacted youth, Mr. Ugarte made sure that we were not only present, but empowered us and gave us a purpose.
The Ugarte Civic Youth Foundation is unique because it unlocks doors to close first-gen scholars, specifically from underrepresented backgrounds. Not everyone can work alongside an elected official or have an amazing mentors, such as Coach and Jose Ugarte. Colleges looking for impact in community, you have the opportunity to make impact in your community.
I am a proud son of bake-wrapped hot dog vendors, and it's wild to think that experiences like this, people like Coach and Jose, have enabled me to keep fighting. They've given me the skills to believe in myself, the confidence to network, find solutions, and empower our people.